PeopleSoft Query Manager Online Training. Introduction to PeopleSoft Query Manager. PeopleSoft Query Manager is a powerful tool designed for users to extract and analyze data from your PeopleSoft application without needing to write complex SQL code. Here's a quick rundown of what it offers. Extract data easily. Think of it as a search engine for your PeopleSoft data. You can find and retrieve specific information you need. No need to write SQL statements. Query Manager uses a visual interface to select tables, fields, and define criteria for your search. Build simple or complex queries. Need a quick head count? Query Manager can handle that. Do you require an in-depth analysis involving joins and filters? It can handle that too. Review and analyze results. Preview your query results in a grid format before running the full report. Fine-tune your queries based on the initial data preview. Multiple output options. Display results directly in a grid on the Query Manager screen. Run queries as a separate process and view them in a new browser window. Schedule queries to run at specific times or on a recurring basis. What is PeopleSoft Query Manager? PeopleSoft Query Manager is a tool within the PeopleSoft Enterprise Suite that allows users to create, run, and manage ad hoc queries. It's designed to be user-friendly, enabling users with little or no technical background to extract data from PeopleSoft databases efficiently. Here are some key features and functionalities of PeopleSoft Query Manager. User-friendly interface. The Query Manager provides a graphical interface where users can define their queries by selecting records, fields, and criteria without needing to write SQL code. Data extraction. Users can retrieve data from various PeopleSoft tables and views. This allows for flexible and powerful data analysis and reporting. Criteria definition. Users can define selection criteria to filter the data according to specific needs. This can include setting conditions on fields, using prompts to request user input at runtime, and defining expressions. Output options. The results of a query can be displayed in different formats, such as HTML, Excel, or CSV, making it easy to share and use the data outside of PeopleSoft. Joins and relationships. Users can create joins between tables to retrieve related data from multiple tables in a single query. The tool supports both inner and outer joins. Security. Access to Query Manager and the data it can access is controlled by PeopleSoft's security settings. This ensures that users only see data they are authorized to view. Scheduling and automation. Queries can be scheduled to run at specific times, allowing for automated data extraction and reporting. Integration. The data retrieved by queries can be integrated with other PeopleSoft applications and modules, facilitating seamless data flow within the PeopleSoft ecosystem. Why use PeopleSoft Query Manager? PeopleSoft Query Manager is a versatile tool used within the PeopleSoft Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) system. Here are several reasons why organizations use PeopleSoft Query Manager. 1. User-friendly interface. PeopleSoft Query Manager provides a graphical user interface that allows users, including those without deep technical expertise, to create, modify, and run queries. This makes it accessible to a broader range of employees. To ad hoc reporting. It allows users to generate ad hoc reports based on the data stored in PeopleSoft applications. This capability is crucial for making timely decisions based on current data without needing to rely on predefined reports or IT support. 3. Data extraction. Users can extract data from PeopleSoft tables and view it in a variety of formats. This is useful for data analysis, reporting, and sharing information with stakeholders who may not have direct access to the PeopleSoft system. 4. Real-time data access. PeopleSoft Query Manager provides real-time access to data, ensuring that users are working with the most current information available, which is essential for operational efficiency and accuracy in reporting. 5. Customizable queries. It allows users to create highly customizable queries tailored to their specific needs. This includes selecting specific fields, defining criteria, sorting, and grouping data. 6. Security and permissions. PeopleSoft Query Manager integrates with PeopleSoft security settings, ensuring that users can only access data for which they have appropriate permissions. This helps maintain data integrity and confidentiality. 7. Data integration. The tool can integrate data from different modules within PeopleSoft, allowing for comprehensive reporting and analysis across different functional areas such as HR, finance, and supply chain. 8. Scheduling and automation. Queries can be scheduled to run at specific times or intervals, and the results can be automatically distributed via email or stored for later access. This automation saves time and ensures that reports are consistently available when needed. How to access PeopleSoft Query Manager? Accessing PeopleSoft Query Manager typically involves the following steps, which can vary slightly based on your organization's specific PeopleSoft configuration and access policies. Log in to PeopleSoft. Open your web browser and navigate to your organization's PeopleSoft login page. This URL is often provided by your IT department or PeopleSoft administrator. Enter your user ID and password to log in. Navigate to Query Manager. Once logged in, you'll usually see a menu or navigation options. Depending on your organization's setup, you might have a drop-down menu, a sidebar, or a navigation tile. Look for the Reporting Tools menu. The exact path can vary, but it generally looks something like this. Main menu, Reporting Tools, Query Manager. If you can't find it, you might need to use the search functionality. Enter Query Manager in the search bar and select it from the search results. Access Query Manager. Click on Query Manager to open the Query Manager interface. Here, you can create new queries, edit existing ones, or run queries based on your permissions. Create or manage queries. In Query Manager, you can create new queries. Click on the Create New Query link to start building a new query. Search for existing queries. Use the search fields to find existing queries that you can view or edit. Run queries. You can also run existing queries and view the results based on the data in the PeopleSoft database. Permissions. Note that your ability to access Query Manager and perform certain actions within it depends on the permissions granted by your PeopleSoft administrator. If you can't access Query Manager or certain functionalities within it, you may need to request additional access. What are the key features of PeopleSoft Query Manager? PeopleSoft Query Manager is a powerful tool within the PeopleSoft suite that allows users to create, run, and manage queries against the PeopleSoft database. Here are some of the key features. 1. User-friendly interface. Drag and drop functionality allows users to easily select and organize fields. Graphical user interface GUI intuitive design that simplifies query creation and management. 2. Data retrieval. SQL query creation. Users can build SQL queries without needing in-depth SQL knowledge. Data filtering and sorting. Apply filters and sort data to meet specific criteria. Join capabilities. Combine data from multiple tables using different types of joins, inner, outer, etc. 3. Advanced query functions. Expressions. Create calculated fields and complex expressions. Prompts. Enable dynamic filtering by allowing users to enter values at runtime. Subqueries. Build nested queries for more complex data retrieval needs. Aggregations. Perform calculations like sum, average, count, etc. directly within the query. 4. Security and permissions. Access control. Restrict access to queries and data based on user roles and permissions. Query security. Ensure that sensitive data is protected by applying security rules. 5. Integration with PeopleSoft components. Component-based query. Build queries that can be integrated into PeopleSoft components and pages. PS Query Access. Utilize queries within other PeopleSoft modules like reporting tools, Envision, and SQR. How to create a new query in PeopleSoft Query Manager. Creating a new query in PeopleSoft Query Manager involves several steps. Here is a detailed guide to help you through the process. Step-by-step guide to creating a new query in PeopleSoft Query Manager. Log into PeopleSoft. Open your web browser and navigate to your PeopleSoft login page. Enter your username and password, then click Sign In. Navigate to Query Manager. From the main menu, go to Reporting Tools, Query Manager. Create a new query. Click the Create New Query link at the top right corner of the Query Manager page. Select a record. The Find an Existing Record page appears. Enter the record name you want to use in the Search By field or browse the list of available records. Click the Search button. From the search results, select the record you want to use for your query by clicking on the record name link. Add fields to your query. The query page will display the fields available in the selected record. Check the boxes next to the fields you want to include in your query. Click the Add Fields button to add these fields to your query. Add criteria, optional. To add criteria, filters, to your query, click the Criteria tab. Click the Add Criteria button. Select the field you want to use for the criteria, then define the condition type, example equals, greater than, and the value. Click OK to add the criteria. What are the steps to edit an existing query? Editing an existing query typically involves several steps to ensure that the modified query meets your new requirements. Here's a general process you can follow. Identify the need for change. Understand why the existing query needs to be edited. Is it due to a change in requirements, poor performance, incorrect results, or something else? Review the current query. Examine the existing query thoroughly. Understand its logic, structure, and the data it retrieves or manipulates. Understand the database schema. Make sure you have a clear understanding of the relevant database schema, including tables, columns, relationships, indexes, and constraints. Determine the desired outcome. Define the exact changes you want to achieve with the modified query. This includes new conditions, columns, joins, groupings, etc. Back up the original query. Keep a copy of the original query before making any changes. This ensures you can revert to the original version if necessary. Plan the changes. Plan the specific modifications needed. This might involve adding new filters, changing the select clause, modifying join conditions, or optimizing performance. Make incremental changes. Start by making small, incremental changes. This makes it easier to identify and fix any issues that arise. How to use criteria in PeopleSoft queries. Using criteria in PeopleSoft queries allows you to filter the data that the query returns based on specific conditions. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to add and use criteria in PeopleSoft queries. Accessing Query Manager. Log in to PeopleSoft. Enter your user credentials to access the PeopleSoft system. Navigate to Query Manager. Go to Reporting Tools, Query Manager. Creating or editing a query. Create a new query or find an existing one. To create a new query, click on Create New Query. To edit an existing query, use the search fields to find the query and click on its name to open it. Adding criteria. Select fields. Choose the fields you want to include in your query by clicking on Add Record and selecting the appropriate record. Then, select the fields you need from the record. Add criteria. Click on the Criteria tab or Edit button under the Criteria column in the Query Manager. Click on Add Criteria to start defining your filter conditions. Defining criteria. Choose field. Select the field for which you want to set the criteria. Condition type. Choose the type of condition you want to apply, such as equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, between, in list. Like, for pattern matching. What is the role of prompts in queries? 1. Guidance and context provision. Prompts provide initial context and guidance for the AI or search engine to understand what the user is looking for. They help in shaping the direction and scope of the query, ensuring that the responses are relevant and on point. 2. Clarity and precision. A well-crafted prompt helps in defining the scope of the query clearly and precisely. This minimizes ambiguity and helps the AI or search engine to hone in on the specific information or type of response required. 3. User intent clarification. Prompts help in articulating the user's intent more clearly. By setting a specific prompt, users can communicate the underlying purpose or goal of their query, making it easier for the AI to provide a pertinent response. 4. Enhancing interaction quality. Effective prompts improve the overall quality of interaction between users and AI systems. They make conversations more coherent, productive, and aligned with user expectations, leading to a more satisfying user experience. 5. Reducing response time. Clear and specific prompts enable AI systems to process queries more efficiently, reducing the time taken to generate relevant responses. This is particularly important in real-time applications where prompt and accurate responses are critical. 6. Facilitating complex query handling. In cases of complex queries that require multi-step reasoning or detailed explanations, prompts can help break down the query into manageable parts. This enables the AI to address each component systematically, resulting in more comprehensive answers. 7. Bias and error reduction. Prompts can help mitigate biases and reduce errors by setting a clear framework within which the AI operates. By providing specific instructions or constraints, users can steer the AI away from potential misunderstandings or irrelevant responses. How to join tables in a query. Joining tables in a query is a fundamental operation in SQL, structured query language, to retrieve data from multiple tables based on a related column. There are several types of joins, each serving different purposes. Types of joins. Inner join returns only the rows that have matching values in both tables. Left join or left outer join returns all rows from the left table and the matched rows from the right table. If no match is found, nulls are returned for columns from the right table. Right join or right outer join returns all rows from the right table and the matched rows from the left table. If no match is found, nulls are returned for columns from the left table. Full join or full outer join returns all rows when there is a match in one of the tables. If there is no match, the result is null on the side that does not have a match. Cross join returns the Cartesian product of both tables. Every row in the first table is combined with every row in the second table. Self join joins a table with itself. This is useful when dealing with hierarchical data or comparing rows within the same table. How to sort and filter query results? Sorting and filtering query results involves organizing and refining the data retrieved from a database or any other source based on specific criteria. Here's a breakdown. Sorting. Sorting arranges the results in a specific order, such as alphabetical, numerical, or chronological. To sort query results, you specify the columns you want to sort by and the order, ascending or descending. For example, if you're sorting a list of names alphabetically, you'd specify to sort by the name column in ascending order. Filtering. Filtering allows you to narrow down the results based on certain conditions or criteria. This typically involves specifying conditions using comparison operators like equals, greater than, less than, combined with logical operators like and, or, not. For instance, If you're working with a database of customer information and you want to filter out customers who haven't made a purchase in the last 6 months, you would specify a filter condition that checks the last purchase date column against today's date minus 6 months. What are the common functions and expressions used in queries? In database queries, there are several common functions and expressions used to manipulate and retrieve data efficiently. Here are some of them. Aggregate functions. These functions operate on a set of values and return a single value summarizing the set. Common aggregate functions include count, counts the number of rows in a result set. Sum, calculates the sum of values in a column. Average, computes the average of values in a column. Min, returns the minimum value in a column. Max, returns the maximum value in a column. String functions. These functions operate on strings and are used to manipulate and format text data. Common string functions include concat, concatenates two or more strings together. Substring, extracts a substring from a string. Upper, lower, converts a string to upper or lower case, respectively. Length, _length, returns the length of a string. Trim, ltrim, retrim, removes leading or trailing spaces from a string. Date and time functions. These functions manipulate date and time values. Common date and time functions include current_date, current_time, current_timestamp, returns the current date, time, or timestamp, respectively. Date, time, year, month, day, extracts parts of a date or time value. Date_add, date_sub, adds or subtracts a specified time interval from a date. Datediff, timestamp diff, computes the difference between two dates or timestamps. How to schedule and run queries in PeopleSoft. Create a query. Log into PeopleSoft and navigate to the Query Manager. Create a new query or select an existing one that you want to schedule. Test the query. Before scheduling, it's important to ensure that your query retrieves the desired data accurately. Test it within the Query Manager to verify results. Schedule the query. In the Query Manager, select the query you want to schedule. Look for an option to schedule the query. This could be labeled as Schedule Query or something similar. Set the schedule parameters such as frequency, example daily, weekly, time, recurrence, and any other relevant settings. Define output options. Choose the output format for your query results. Common options include Excel, CSV, or HTML. Specify the destination for the output, such as an email address or a server directory. Run the scheduled query. Once scheduled, the PeopleSoft system will automatically run the query according to the defined schedule. Depending on your configuration, you might receive notifications when the query completes or encounters any errors. Review and distribute results. After the query runs, review the results to ensure they meet your expectations. If configured, the results may be automatically distributed to specified recipients via email or saved to a designated location. Monitor and maintain. Regularly monitor the scheduled queries to ensure they're running as expected. Update schedules or query parameters as needed. Address any errors or issues promptly. What are the best practices for efficient query design? Efficient query design is crucial for optimizing database performance and ensuring fast and reliable access to data. Here are some best practices to consider. Use indexes wisely. Indexes can significantly speed up query performance by enabling the database to quickly locate rows based on the indexed columns. However, excessive indexes can degrade performance on write operations. Evaluate your queries and create indexes on columns frequently used in search conditions and join clauses. Normalize your database. Normalize your database schema to reduce redundancy and improve data integrity. This ensures efficient storage and minimizes the need for complex joins, leading to faster query execution. Optimize joins. Use appropriate join types, example inner join, left join, and join conditions to minimize the number of rows processed. Avoid Cartesian joins by ensuring proper join conditions are specified. Avoid select instead of selecting all columns using select explicitly specify the required columns. This reduces the amount of data transferred between the database server and the client, improving query performance. Limit result sets. Use pagination or limit of set clauses to retrieve only the necessary rows, especially when dealing with large datasets. Fetching large result sets can consume resources and slow down query execution. Optimize where clauses. Use selective and indexed columns in where clauses to filter rows efficiently. Avoid using functions or expressions on indexed columns as it can prevent the use of indexes. Avoid subqueries. Minimize the use of subqueries, especially correlated subqueries, as they can be less efficient compared to joins or other techniques like CTEs, common table expressions. Use stored procedures. Stored procedures can improve query performance by reducing network traffic and precompiling queries. They also promote code reusability and security by encapsulating business logic within the database. Monitor and tune. Regularly monitor query performance using database profiling tools. Identify slow-running queries and optimize them by analyzing execution plans, indexing strategies, and database configuration settings. Consider denormalization. In some cases, denormalizing certain tables or columns can improve query performance, especially for read-heavy workloads. However, denormalization should be carefully considered to avoid data inconsistency and maintenance overhead. What are the security considerations in PeopleSoft Query Manager? Security considerations in PeopleSoft Query Manager are crucial for protecting sensitive data and ensuring that only authorized users have access to relevant information. Here are some key security considerations. Access control. Implement robust access controls to limit query access to authorized users only. Users should be granted access based on their roles and responsibilities within the organization. Role-based security. Utilize PeopleSoft's role-based security model to assign appropriate permissions to users based on their roles. This ensures that users only have access to the queries and data relevant to their job functions. Data sensitivity. classify data based on its sensitivity level and restrict access to sensitive data to only those users who require it for their job duties. This helps prevent unauthorized access and protects sensitive information from being exposed. Query security. Control access to individual queries by setting up query permissions and restrictions. Administrators can specify which users or roles have the ability to run, modify, or access specific queries. Row-level security. Implement row-level security to restrict access to specific rows of data within a query result set. This ensures that users can only view data that they are authorized to access based on their security permissions. Data masking. Employ data masking techniques to obfuscate sensitive information in query results. This can help protect sensitive data from unauthorized viewing, especially in situations where users may have access to query results but do not need to see certain sensitive details. Audit trails. Enable audit trails to track user activity within PeopleSoft Query Manager. This includes logging actions such as query execution, modifications, and access attempts, which can help identify and investigate potential security breaches or unauthorized access. Regular security reviews. Conduct regular security reviews and audits to ensure that security policies and configurations are up to date and effective. This helps identify and address any security vulnerabilities or compliance issues proactively. Advantages of PeopleSoft Query Manager online training. Convenience. Online training allows learners to access materials from anywhere with an internet connection, providing flexibility for those with busy schedules or geographical constraints. Self-paced learning. Participants can learn at their own pace, allowing them to review materials as needed and spend more time on challenging concepts. Cost-effective. Online training often eliminates the need for travel expenses and reduces overhead costs associated with traditional classroom training, making it a more affordable option. Interactive learning. Many online training platforms offer interactive elements such as quizzes, forums, and multimedia resources to engage learners and reinforce learning objectives. Access to expertise. Online training programs often feature instructors who are experts in their field, providing learners with valuable insights and guidance throughout the course. Real-world applications. PeopleSoft Query Manager online training typically includes practical exercises and case studies, allowing participants to apply their skills to real-world scenarios and projects. Scalability. Online training can accommodate a large number of participants simultaneously, making it an ideal option for organizations looking to train multiple employees at once. Updated content. Online training platforms can easily update course materials to reflect the latest software updates and industry best practices, ensuring that learners have access to the most current information. Networking opportunities. Online training often includes opportunities for participants to interact with peers through discussion forums, virtual group projects, and networking events, facilitating knowledge sharing and collaboration. Why choose ProExcellency for PeopleSoft Query Manager online training? Choosing ProExcellency for PeopleSoft Query Manager online training can be advantageous for several reasons. Expertise. ProExcellency may have experienced trainers who are well-versed in PeopleSoft Query Manager. They can provide in-depth knowledge and practical insights into the tool's functionalities and best practices. Comprehensive curriculum. They might offer a comprehensive curriculum covering all aspects of PeopleSoft Query Manager, including basic concepts, advanced techniques, and real-world applications. This ensures that participants gain a thorough understanding of the tool. Flexible learning options. Online training allows participants to learn at their own pace and convenience. ProExcellency may offer flexible scheduling options, allowing individuals to balance their learning with other commitments. Interactive learning experience. Through online platforms, ProExcellency can facilitate interactive learning experiences, including live sessions, discussions, and hands-on exercises. This enhances engagement and improves understanding. Supportive environment. ProExcellency might provide dedicated support throughout the training program, addressing participants' queries and concerns promptly. This ensures a supportive learning environment conducive to knowledge acquisition. Cost-effective. Online training often eliminates the need for travel and accommodation expenses associated with traditional classroom-based training. ProExcellency's online courses might offer cost-effective solutions without compromising on the quality of education. Certification. Upon completion of the training program, participants may receive a certification from ProExcellency, validating their skills and knowledge in PeopleSoft Query Manager. This certification can enhance their credibility and career prospects in the job market. Thank you.